So we got the Dr. Brown's sterilizer because this fit our tall, narrow Dr. Brown's bottles, and our Philips Oven steamer did not. So the good things about the Dr. Brown sterilizer, it fits the Dr. Brown's bottles. And since we're just using Dr. Brown's bottles, this was kind of, what we needed to get in order for our bottles to have a place to be sterilized. Sterilizer fits up to 6 bottles and all of their parts. And when I was pumping, we were also able to fit pumping parts in there, but of course with less bottles. So the downside is this is really just a sterilizer. I think that, if we were to hit the redo button on something we would do differently, we would probably get a baby bottle washer in the beginning that also does washing and drying and sterilizing all in one, because that takes so much time every day, just washing and sterilizing the bottles. But if you have the Dr. Brown's bottles, then I really recommend this Dr. Brown steamer, because it's really the only one that's going to fit the tall Dr. Brown's bottles. So then this button turns the machine on and off. This is sterilizing only, this is drying only, and this one's auto. We always put it on auto because auto does sterilizing and drying together in the same cycle. It's pretty loud when it's on drying mode, so we don't run this while we're sleeping. It works well, it's just it takes a longer time than some of the other sterilizers that are on the market.
I love my Dr. Brown's sterilizer, simply pour water. So much fits. Little top for other small parts. Put the lid on. I do pull mine out so that the steam doesn't go up under my cabinets. Power, auto. So this just steams it, this just dries it, or it does both. Takes about an hour. Truly must have. I use it 3 times a day. Don't know what I would do without it.
So this is the Dr. Brown sterilizer, and really like this, had the baby Brezza stand before that with the hand-me-down. However, it stopped working, so we got this one, and just really appreciate this top function. As you can see, just put all the bottle parts in there, use it for pacifiers, and of course the main section here as well is easy for different size bottles and the taller Dr. Brown's pieces as well. So easy to use, it's been working great and is preventing our child from getting thrush, which we definitely don't want her to get.
These are the Dr. Brown sanitizing bags. I really like these. They don't take up a lot of room, especially somebody like me who doesn't have a lot of counter space. This bag just folds up and takes up little room. And you're able to mark off how many times you've used the bag. After you've reached the 30 times, then you just throw it out. Inside you can see how the bags hold the bottles. I do not use Dr. Brown's. I do think Dr. Brown's would probably fit a little bit better than what I use. Mine are wider base bottles at the bottom. Just put this in your microwave depending on your wattage. It does show instructions. And then just let it cool. After that, you have sanitized bottles. This is very convenient. I've taken this on vacations. I've even used this at Disneyland in their nursery area to sanitize my bottles while I've been there at the park.
So hi guys, let me take you to this item I bought, which is Dr. Brown's all-in-one sterilizer and dryer. I am pleased, I must say, with the packaging of this. I got fed up of just sterilizing the items manually, so I wanted to get my own one, you know, Dr. Brown's, and so far I must say it has been working just fine. You know, you place all the items inside, it mainly fits Dr. Brown's items, and also the pacifiers, it works good. It also fits on top, the pacifiers, and yeah, I must say it feels good having this.
If you need a good bottle sterilizer and dryer, this is the one. We got this when our baby was born, and of course there's way more expensive high-end ones, but this one really just does whatever you need it to do. It gets everything clean and dry, and we've been using it for over a year and it still does such a good job.
Here we've got this Dr. Brown bottle sanitizer. Super easy to use, makes the bottle so much cleaner, saves you a lot of time. Highly recommend.
Aquí estoy yo como niña con juguete nuevo.
Claro que sí,
Ya.
Joana.